Are you in need of a convenient, go-to, all-purpose tool that can slice through a range of materials with ease and then be sanded back for a perfect finish? From trimming pipes and screws to plunge cutting into decking, we've got the perfect tool for you. Hi everyone, my name is DK and today I'm going to present to you the Evolution R18MLT-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion multi-tool with included accessories. This tool packs a powerful DC motor, which delivers enough torque to easily handle first fix work, such as cutting out openings in drywall, removing rust from metals, and sanding down furniture. The focus is on portability and ease of use, with this ergonomic overmolded grip. It gives comfort in use, and the ambidextrous auxiliary handle ensures it's ideal for both left and right-handed users. The paddle on-off switch is situated here on the tool. There's a 6-speed variable control dial here, which enables easy adjustments for performing precision work with perfect smooth control. Blades can be easily swapped out tool-free. Just lift the lever here to remove the old blade and slot the new one in place like so. Then lock back in place and you're ready for use. To assist with visibility during use, there's an LED light. This is ideal for use in dim workshops or when working in the garage. The oscillating angle is 3 degrees, making it optimized for effective and smooth cutting. Any material, anywhere. There are 3 heads included. The first of these is the cutting tool. This has all the advantages of Evolution's multi-material cutting blade, effectively cutting wood, plastics, metals, all with the same blade. There is a sanding head included, which looks like so. There are 3 grits of paper included, 60, 80 and 120, which can be attached to the Velcro surface like so. There's a scraper head attachment also included, which is great for tidying up surfaces such as carpet glue or grouting. In conclusion, the Evolution R18MLT-Li is a highly versatile tool that can handle a wide variety of cutting, shaping, scraping and sanding tasks. It's an essential addition to any toolbox and will likely become your new favorite piece of equipment. Thank you for watching. This is DK signing off, and I'll see you again next time.